In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the finals black screen or crashing on PC. So first you'll go to Steam and then you'll find the game here. So what you'll do here is right click on the game. I'll do this for this game. You can follow the same steps for the finals. You will right click on the game, then go to properties, and then make sure no text is written under launch options. Go to install files and then click verify files. This will take a few minutes. After it's done, go to browse, then go to the finals.exe, right click on it, properties, compatibility, then you'll disable full screen optimization. Click apply and OK. So once you do this, you want to check if it works. If it doesn't, go to settings, downloads, and then make sure you have the download region set to your region. And then if you don't find your region, just select a close region to you. Now here under clear download cache, you want to click clear cache. So now what you'll do is go here, exit Steam, and then go to CMD. Now here you will run this as administrator. So what you'll do here is write one command. So write sfc /scan now and then press enter. This will take a few minutes, and after it's done, you can close it down. Next thing you'll do is restart your computer, and then after restarting it, you should try to restart the game, and hopefully this should work for you.